Our next concept is problems on divergence and curl. If vector f is equal to del xy cube z square, find divergence of f and curl f at the point 1, -1, 1. Here, first we have to see what they given. Let us consider given vector f is equal to del xy cube z square. Here, this is a scalar quantity. A scalar quantity means this is not containing I, j, k term. That's why this we have to consider as our pi. That is x y cube z square. Therefore, the given f become del pi. Del pi, as we already know, dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou yj plus dou pi by dou zk. If we apply the del for our pi, then only we have to get a vector f. Therefore, we have to substitute this pi in x y cube z square I plus dou by dou y of x y cube z square j plus dou by dou z of x y cube z square k. After substituting here, we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y, with respect to z. Now, first we have to differentiate this with respect to x. That time, y and z are the constant. The differentiation of x become 1. Remaining is y cube z square I plus. Now we have to differentiate with respect to y. Here x and z are the constants. Y cube differentiation is 3y square, 3x y square z square. X and z square are the constants. J plus dou by dou z of, now differentiate the pi with respect to z. Z square differentiation is 2z. X and y cube are the constants here. 2xy cube z. K. Z square differentiation is 2z. Xy cube I kept as it is. After getting our f, here we are getting I, j, k term in terms of vector f. Then we have to find the divergence of f. Divergence of f. That is nothing but del dot vector f. As we already know, dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k dot our f. F is in a vector quantity y cube z square I plus 3xy square z square j plus 2xy cube z k. After getting this, we have to apply the dot product here. The dot product means dou by dou x of y cube z square plus dou by dou y of 3x y square z square plus dou by dou z of 2x y cube z. Here a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3. After that we have to differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z. Here x term is not there. y and z are the constant. Differentiation of the constant become a 0 plus here 3x y square z square. Y square differentiation is a 2y. 2 into 3 is a 6 x y z square. X and z square are the constants. Plus now here we have to differentiate with respect to z. Z become a 1 and x y are the constants. Now the divergence of f become 6xyz square plus 2xy cube. This is our divergence of f. Now the next concept is we have to find the curl f. Here they ask to find the curl f also. As we already know, the curl f is nothing but a cross product, del cross vector f. Here first row we have to take it as a ijk term. Second we have to take it as a dou by dou x, dou by dou y and dou by dou z term. The next last row we have to take it as a f, that is y cube z square, 3xy square z square, 2xy cube z. And here in the first row we have to apply the sign table, that is plus minus plus. We have to expand our matrix method. First we have to take the I, leave that first column and the first row, and we have to get dou by dou y of 2xy cube z minus dou by dou z of 3xy square z square minus j. Minus j means leave that second column and the first row, cross multiply the terms. Dou by dou x of 2xy cube z minus dou by dou z of y cube z square plus k. Leave that third column and first row. Now cross multiply dou by dou x of 3xy square z square minus dou by dou y of y cube z square. Now we have to simplify this one. I keep as it is. Now we have to differentiate this term. Here y we have to differentiate. X and z are the constants. 2x, y cube differentiation is 3y square. 3 into 2 become a 6. X, y square, z. X and z are the constants. Minus. Here we have to differentiate with respect to z. Z square differentiation is 2z. And 2 into 3 become 6xy square z minus j. Second term. Now we have to differentiate with respect to x here. X become a 1. 2y cube z are the constants. Now we have to differentiate with respect to z here. Z square become a 2y cube z plus k. Now you have to differentiate with respect to x. X become a 1 here. 3y square z square minus dou by dou y of y cube z square. Y cube differentiation is 3y square z square. Now after simplifying, 6xy square z minus 6xy square z plus and minus become a 0, minus 0, minus j. 2y cube z minus 2y cube z become a 0 plus k 3y square z square minus 3xy square z square become a 0 is equal to 0. Means therefore divergent of vector f is equal to 6xyz square plus 2xy cube and curl f is equal to 0. These are the answer what they asked. The next example is find divergence of f and curl f where vector f is equal to del x square plus y square plus z square minus 3xyz. Now the given first we have to write here. Given vector f is equal to del x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Here also the same. Here this is a scalar quantity. This they given as a pi. X cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz. Means they given vector f is equal to del pi. That is dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou yj plus dou pi by dou zk. They given. Now we have to find the vector f by applying the partial derivative with respect to x, y, z. Now we can write directly here vector f is equal to dou by dou x of pi. With respect to pi we have to apply here with respect to x for the pi. We can write dou by dou x of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz I plus dou by dou y of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz j plus dou by dou z of x cube plus y cube plus z cube minus 3xyz k. Now we have to differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. Y and z are the constants here. 3x square, y cube becomes 0, z cube becomes 0. Here x become a 1. The remaining is 3yz. Are a multiplying term. That's why x become a 1. Remaining are the constant. Keep as it is. Plus. Now with respect to y. 3y square minus x become a 0, z become a 0 and y become a 1 here, 3xzj plus. Now for the k, now differentiate with respect to z means z cube become a 3z square minus 3xy, z become a 1. This is our vector f. After getting the vector f, we have to find the divergent of vector f is equal to del dot vector f. As we already know, del is dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk. For with this f we have to apply the dot product. 3x square minus 3yzi plus 3y square minus 3xz j plus 3z square minus 3xy k. Okay. Now apply the dot product for these dou by dou x into 3x square 3yz plus dou by dou y of 3y square minus 3xz plus dou by dou z of 3z square minus 3xy. Now differentiate with respect to x. x differentiation is x square become a 6x. Here x term is not there, this become a 0. Plus differentiate with respect to y. Y square become a 2y. 2 into 3 become a 6y. Here y term is not there, that become a 0. 6y plus dou by dou z of 3z square. Z square differentiation is 2z. 2 into 3 become a 6. 6z. Now the divergence of the quantity we have to get the scalar. Here I, j, k terms are not there. Now similarly we have to find the curl f. As we already know, the curl is nothing but the cross product is equal to I, j, k dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z as a second row. And a third row you have to apply the f. 3x square minus 3yz, 3y square minus 3xz, 3z square minus 3xy is equal to, apply the first row as a plus minus plus. I now different cross multiply and differentiate dou by dou y of this term. Here y term is not there, this become a 0, and here y become a 1, it become minus 3x. In between minus. Differentiate with respect to z. Here z is not there, 0, and here z is become a 1. This minus and this minus become a plus 3x minus j. Now leave that second column and the first row. Dou by dou x of 3z square minus 3xy. Differentiate with respect to x here. X become a 1 and it become a minus 3y. In between minus with respect to z. Here z term is not there. This term become a 0. Here z become 1. This minus and this minus become a plus 3y plus k. Now leave that the third column and the first row. Differentiate with respect to x. X become a 1 here and here it become a 3z. And with respect to y, y minus minus become a plus, y become a 1, 3z. Now I plus 3x minus 3x become a 0, minus j minus 3y plus 3y become a 0, plus k minus 3z plus 3z become a 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, divergent of the vector f is equal to 6, take a common, x plus y plus z, curl f become a 0. This is a finding value. The next example is vector f is equal to 3x square y minus z I plus xz cube plus y raised to 4j minus 2x cube z square k. Find grade of divergent f. Grade of divergent f at 2, minus 1, 0. Here they combine the two terms and they asked to find the grade of divergent of f. First we have to take this in the form of grade of divergent of f is nothing but the grade is, we have to denote it as a del. This divergent of f is nothing but del dot vector f. Like this we have to find. First we have to find the divergent of vector f. Divergent of vector f is nothing but del dot vector f is equal to dou by dou x I plus dou by dou y j plus dou by dou z k. Here f is a given that we have to write it as a 3x square y minus zi plus xz cube plus y raised to 4 j minus 2x cube z square k. From these two, we have to apply the dot product. Dou by dou x of 3x square y minus z plus dou by dou y of xz cube plus y raised to 4 plus dou by dou z of, here minus is there, that with the minus only we have to take. Now differentiate partially with respect to x, with respect to y and with respect to z. Here x square differentiation is 2x, 2 into 3 become a 6, x, y. Z become a 0 here because we want to differentiate only the x term. Y and z are the constants. Plus here y term is not there, this term become a 0. Y fourth differentiation is 4y cube. Plus here minus is there, minus z square differentiation is 2z, 2 into 2 become a 4, minus 4 x cube z, means this become 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z. This is our divergent of vector f. This is a pi, a scalar quantity. By using this, we have to find the grade of divergent of f. This we have to consider as the divergent of f we considered as a pi, means grade pi we have to find. That is, the grade pi is nothing but del pi, that is dou pi by dou xi plus dou pi by dou yj plus dou pi by dou z k is equal to dou by dou x of 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z I plus dou by dou y of 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z j plus dou by dou z of 6xy plus 4y cube minus 4x cube z k. Now differentiate partially with respect to x here. Now for x term you have to differentiate, y and z term keep as it is. Here x become a 1, 6y. Here y term is not there, this become a 0. Minus, here x cube differentiation is 3x square. 3 into 4 become a 12. X square z I plus differentiate with respect to y. Next we have to differentiate with respect to y here. Y become a 1. X and z are the constants here. Y become a 1, 6x plus y cube differentiation is 3y square, 12y square. Here y term is not there, means 0, j plus. Now here we have to differentiate with respect to z. Z become a 1, here z is not there, here z is not there, it become a minus 4x cube, z become a 1, k. Now this we have to write it as a 6y minus 12x square z I plus 6x plus 12y square j minus 4x cube k. After getting this, for this we have to substitute 2 minus 1 0 x y z value. Here you have to substitute here and this become 6i plus 24j minus 32k. Therefore, the grade of divergent of f is equal to minus 6i plus 24j minus 32k. This is a result what we want to find. The next one is, if vector f is equal to x plus y plus 1 I plus j minus x plus y k, show that vector f dot curl f is equal to 0. We already know the vector f. Now we have to find the curl f. For these two we have to apply the dot product. Then we have to get the 0. Let us consider. Curl f we have to find. Curl f is equal to I, j, k. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Here f they given as a x plus y plus 1. J is a 1. K we have to take it with the minus sign. And apply plus minus plus sign and expand. I keep as it is. Now dou by dou y of minus is applicable for both the terms, minus x minus y, in between minus sign, dou by dou z of 1 minus j, leave that second column and the first row, dou by dou x of minus x minus y minus dou by dou z of x plus y plus 1 plus k. Leave that third column and the first row, dou by dou x of 1 minus dou by dou y of x plus y plus 1 is equal to, I keep as it is. Now you have to differentiate partially with respect to y here. Y become a 1, x become a 0, minus 1. Here 1 is there, the differentiation of the constant become a 0, minus j. Here x become a minus 1, y become a 0. Here z is not there, this become a 0, plus k. Differentiation of the 1 become a 0. Now differentiation of y become a 1. Minus I, this minus become a plus j minus k. Therefore, curl f is equal to minus I plus j minus k. After getting this, we have to apply the dot product with this and our given f. Therefore, vector f dot curl f. The f, I with the I term, x plus y plus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 into 1 plus minus x minus y into minus 1. Now, simplify this one. Minus x minus y minus 1 plus 1. Minus and minus become a plus x plus y. Here x plus x minus x plus y minus y plus 1 minus 1 get cancelled. The term becomes 0. Therefore, vector f dot curl vector f is equal to 0. This is a proof.